It's coming up 10 to the hour. A lot of you guys have been calling in concerning the recent string of events going down here in Westland. I have with me tonight Inspector Tristan James. Thank you so much for joining us tonight, Inspector.
Sure.
Now, one of the questions that's being asked is what exactly is going on with all of these homicides lately?
Well, there's been certain implications of rival gangs that are trying to make a mark for themselves, particularly in the Eastern District. We are positive we have control over this situation. They're just being reported more so than before. That's all, nothing different, just more publicized.
Now, rumor has it that these homicides are actually more brutal than the usual incidents. That, in fact, they're more like executions. Is that true?
Well, the key word here is rumors. That's all it is. Pure speculation, nothing more.
I see. Well, a lot of people, including myself, would like to know, is soon-to-be Delegate John Grazer involved? And if so, at what capacity?
There's no preponderance of evidence to show any implication or to even suggest, for that matter, that Delegate Grazer is involved directly or indirectly.
Or so it seems.
Period.
So you're saying that Grazer Industries isn't a front for criminal activities?
I'm saying that Delegate Grazer and his business ventures are just that, business.
Okay, well, let's take some calls. Caller 1, you're online.
If it wasn't for me, you'd still be locked up, not with your grandkids with you.
Man, I'm telling you, it's hard to be a good criminal.
If the cops weren't bad enough, there are people running around trying to be heroes.
Hear about that new vigilante that's been running around town?
You mean the ninja? Yeah, I heard about that.
If there's somebody come to me acting like they're gonna be a hero, I'll show them exactly.
You do a damn thing. Piss your pants.
Man, whatever.
You can't honestly sit there and say you aren't scared, especially if he's the badass you say he is. I mean, how can you go against someone like that? Your cops can't even identify the guy. What makes you think you can do something?
Well, I'll do something, man. I wouldn't even concern myself with foolishness like that.
You came to join him.
Hey, man.
Hey guys, did y'all need anything else?
No, we're good.
What's up, man? We thought you were dead. Nobody's seen you in what, forever?
You know the story. Work got me so twisted. I feel like I'm living a double life sometimes.
I feel you, man. So it brings you down to these neck of the woods.
Man, I just came by to see what you cats are up to.
Hey, you been hearing about those prostitutes that have been getting murdered these past couple of weeks?
Yeah, I heard some about that. What about that?
You remember Sasha, right?
Sasha. Yeah, Calvin's sister.
Yeah, she's one of those that got murdered.
What?
Murdered my ass. Those poor girls got executed. They just got stabbed. They got taken right over the top.
Cavity.
Like it was some kind of message or something.
But that wasn't in the papers. All they had in the papers was they got stabbed.
I tell you why. See, she was a 6th girl at the beginning. Since the cops had like 6 girls with the same sick MO, they hired up someone to keep up the papers. It's political. That keeps the wackos from confessing the things they didn't do.
You know what else? It also eliminates public hysteria and talk of another vigilante. I wonder who could be doing this.
Same old trick. Always trying to be the investigator, Dick Trainer.
That's really funny, you know that? No, but seriously, I know you guys got the inside track. Not much wrong without y'all knowing about it.
What it is, there's some crime syndicate in town.
Yeah, I think the name's like Gyres or something like that.
Well, anyway, supposedly, they're a new crime syndicate. They're going in terrible. Taking out everybody, whores, drug dealers, cops that won't turn bad. They're getting plucked like that.
Where they're operating from.
Who knows?
I heard there's something going on in the Eastern District.
Wait, isn't the Eastern District Griggs' territory? I mean, you know how Griggs likes to strong arm anybody that comes across his territory.
Well, he's either negotiating with them, or he's dead too.
That would be a shame then, wouldn't it?
Man, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Stupid? You don't think before you say anything, do you?
Look, Trevor, you know I didn't mean to.
Don't worry about it. It's all right. It happens, right? Well, look, man, it's getting late. I'm about to get up out of here. Y'all know how my wife is. I'll let you guys leave.
Idiot.